NASA is moving ahead with its plans to construct for a permanent moon base. And just weeks after the record-breaking Artemis II fly-around, the space agency has awarded contracts worth hundreds of millions of dollars to 4 U.S. companies to deliver landers, rovers, and drones to the lunar surface. NASA administration, Jared Isaacman, announced plans for 3 upcoming moon base missions slated to begin launching this year. The initial phase will deploy Blue Origin's Mark I Endurance lander to the lunar South Pole to deliver key payloads. NASA says this critical step will reduce risks for long-duration exploration and pave the way for future crewed Artemis operations.
So we are discussing 3 moon-based missions and a series of additional awards with more missions to be announced in the months ahead. Now, Moonbase 1 will be the first privately funded lunar lander mission in history. The Blue Origin Mark I Endurance lander will deliver multiple payloads to the Shackleton Connecting Ridge, a strategic area of the lunar South Pole. Every mission in support of the lunar base helps us learn and de-risk crewed missions, but this one is especially important because of the role Blue Origin plays in the Artemis program. The target no earlier than launch date is the fall of 2026.
NASA's next 2 moon-based missions are critical stepping stones for Artemis III, which aims to orbit crews in mid-2027 and land astronauts by 2028. NASA says the upcoming moon-based 2 launch will feature Astrobotic's Griffin lander tasked with delivering a record-breaking 500 cargo load, including an autonomous rover, to pave the way for future astronaut transport. Following these initial deployments, NASA plans to transition the program into its second phase in 2029 to build permanent infrastructure like a lunar power grid.
Moonbase 2 will be the largest commercial payload delivered to the lunar surface ever, though in this moon-based endeavor, we certainly hope to be breaking records on nearly every mission. The Astrobotic Griffin lander will carry more than 500 kilograms of cargo, including Astrolab's FLIP rover, to the lunar surface. This mission will help mature the capabilities necessary to support future lunar terrain vehicles, autonomous operations, logistics, and especially the LTV astronaut mobility.
According to NASA, the final Moonbase 3 mission will focus on expanding scientific discovery through its payloads and research investigations on the surface of the Moon, or PRISM initiative. The operation will deploy the first payload selected under the program, which utilizes an open competition to bring together academic institutions, researchers, and industry partners to solve key lunar questions. While the construction of permanent long-duration astronaut habitats isn't expected until the program's 3rd phase in the 2030s, NASA now says this entire initiative is designed to kickstart a sustainable lunar economy and secure the vital data needed for eventual human missions to Mars.